Hey, alright guys, so yesterday I left off that I had installed Anaconda. Today I'm going to go over the initial problems I had getting it to work with VS Code. So if you want to follow along, this is the software I installed after I already had VS Code installed. The problem I was getting was VS Code trying to use the term conda. When it first started up, it was trying to run this all by itself, conda activate base. After looking around a little bit, I found that Windows PowerShell has security policies, execution policies. I found this website detailing the PowerShell execution policy. And you can find your execution policy by running the command get execution policy. Mine was set to restricted. In order to get conda to work, I set my execution policy by using set execution policy to remote signed. Once I'd done that, I opened up Anaconda and I opened up the PowerShell from within the Anaconda software. I then ran the command that VS Code was trying to run from within the PowerShell opened by Anaconda. After I had done that, I found that VS Code was able to recognize the term. So that's 100 days of Python code, day 2.